This is this is my video number 66 and chapter 8, and it is the last class of indefinite integral. I have given you some problems 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 problems I have given to you. Now look at my first problem, that is 5 sin x by 3 minus 2 sin x. What you have to do here? Just look at me. It is what? 2 sin x. It is what? 5 sin x. Numerator is sin x. Denominator is also sin x. Just simply take 5 outside. And if you take outside 5, then it will become sin x here. But in denominator, look at it is minus 2 sin x. So multiply minus 2 here. Then divide minus 2 here. It becomes 5 by minus 2 into minus 2 sin x divided by 3 minus 2 sin x. Okay. Now in denominator, if it is 3 minus 2 sin x and numerator it is minus 2 sin x, what you have to do? You have to just add 3. So it becomes 3 minus 2 sin x minus 3. So and divided by 3 minus 2 sin x. Then 5 by minus 2. Look at here, 3 they will cancel. Okay, 5 by minus 2 into minus 2, it will 5 sin x, which is in your question. Now separate this one. 5 by minus 2, 3 minus 2 sin x by 3 minus 2 sin x into dx. Minus here also minus. So they will become plus. 3 into 5, it is 15 by 2 dx by 3 minus 2 sin x. Okay. Now 5 by minus 2, it is x plus 15 by 2 and it is I. And I have taught you this integration in number 3. What you have to do? Look at there. First write 3 minus 2x. Then I am doing 2 lines. 3 minus 2 sin x. It is 3 minus 2. What is in case of sin x? What you have to do? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay, make one bracket here. Take LCM. 1 plus tan square x by 2. 3 plus 3 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2. Then it becomes 3 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan x by 2 plus 3 divided by sec square x by 2. Then take common. It is tan square x by 2 plus minus 4 by 3 tan x by 2 plus 1 divided by sec square x by 2. Then what you will do? Okay, I am erasing this part. Now look at there. What I am doing there? This is your, I am just simplifying your 3 minus 2 sin x. Then make it a complete square. It becomes 3 tan x by 2 minus 2 into tan x by 2 into what? So that it becomes 4 by 3. Means you have to multiply again 2 by 3. Take the 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9. And the last it will be 1. What we will add to 4 by 9 so that it will be 1? It is simply 5 by 9. Because 1 is what? 9 by 9. By what? Sec square x by 2. It is 3 tan x by 2 plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9 divided by sec square x by 2. Okay. Now tell me the integration of dx by 3 minus 2 sin x. It becomes what? Now in place of 3 minus 2 sin x, what you have to do? Just write dx. Then sec square x This is in denominator part, so sec square x by 2 go to the upper part, it becomes 3 tan x by 2 plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9. Now it becomes what? Now put t is equal to tan x by 2 plus what? I am taking one tan x by 2 plus 2 by 3 dt is equal to half sec square x by 2. So sec square x by 2, in place of sec square x by 2, what you have to write? You have to write 2 dt. 2 will go outside, dt by, it is what? 3 will also go outside. Okay, because 3 is whole totally multiplied 3, so it becomes what? 3 t square plus 5 by 9. Now you can do it. This is the formula of dt by t square plus a square. Okay. Now look at problem number 10. It is 2 cos x plus 7 by 4 minus sin x. I am taking it as I, writing as I is equal to this one. And now 2 cos x by 4 minus sin x dx, 7 dx by 4 minus sin x. Okay, I am separating this and taking 2 outside. Now this is your I1 and this is your 7 I2. Okay, now what is I1? It is 2 cos x by 4 minus sin x dx. Look at here, the denominator is sin x and the numerator is cos x. So put t is equal to 4 minus sin x, dt is equal to sin x ka derivative cos x minus cos x dx. So cos x dx is equal to minus cos x dx is minus dt. So minus 2 dt by t, it is minus 2 dt by t is ln t, minus 2 ln t means what? 4 minus sin x. Now this is your I1 is this. Now what about I2? It is 4 minus sin x. I am not doing this problem. You will do by yourself by taking first expand this 4 minus sin x. What is sin x? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 as your number 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I have done it in my previous problem. You should do this problem. That is very similar method. Then you can do. Look at the difference. Here it is sin x, here it is cos x. If it is sin x, a sin x, b plus c sin x. It is a cos x plus b by c sin x plus d. Means here only sin, numerator is only sin and the denominator also sin. Then you have to adjust that I have done in number 9. In number 10, if there is cos and the numerator is cos, denominator is sin, then mind it, its derivative is what? Remember this thing, the derivative of sin is cos. So you have to separate them two. Okay, mark the difference so that you can do in your exam paper. Okay. For exam point of view, these problems are very, very important. This chapter is 98% important. Look at the difference. What is here? What is here? What is here? Look at the difference so that you can do in your exam. Here sign, numerator sign, denominator sign. Numerator cos, denominator sign. Here no term in numerator. Denominator it is cos square x and again cos x. Look at that. We have read before only cos x. In number 1, 2, 3, 4, in there I have done dx by a sin x plus b, a sin x plus b, dx by a cos x plus b. Okay, similar problems are there I have done. Look at this problem. It is cos square x, 3 cos x. Now what you have to do? Take LCM, take cos x common. It becomes 2 cos x plus 3. Now it is 2 cos x plus 3 and it is cos x. Take 1 by 3. It becomes 3 dx. If it is 3 dx, what you have to do? 3 cancel. Now in these three, what you have to do? 2 cos x plus 3 minus 2 cos x. Write this as 2 cos x plus 3 minus 2 cos x. 2 cos x cancel. 1 by 3, 3. Now it is what? 2 cos x plus 3 minus 2 cos x divided by cos x into 2 cos x plus 3 dx. So that if when you will separate these two, it becomes 1 by 3 dx. 2 cos x plus 3 into dx by cos x into 2 cos x plus 3. So that they will cancel, not cancel this like this. Separate them. This by whole this and this by whole this. I am separating it. 2 cos x by cos x plus 2 cos x plus 3. I am here writing again. It is 1 by 3 integration 2 cos x plus 3 by cos x into 2 cos x plus 3. Okay, and writing here dx. Now cancelling this part, so that dx by cos x, it is what? 1 by 3 integration sec x, and you know it is ln sec x plus tan x. And here 2 by 3 dx by 2 cos x plus 3, 2 by 3, it is I1, and you have to do this first expand this 2 cos x plus 3 by applying what formula? 2 cos x means 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Do this problem, okay, as number 1, 2, 3, 4 I have given you, then you should proceed. Similarly, when you will do number 12, number 11 and number 12, they are very similar, and I am writing just this. What is that? dx by 4 sin square x minus sin x. What you have to do? Means dx by, you have to take sin x, and it is 4 sin x minus 1. Okay, then you have to do like this. Write it here, 4 sin x in numerator. It is what? Any constant you can adjust. Suppose 5 you can multiply and divide. 7 you can multiply and divide, and just write like this. Look at here. What is there? 4 sin x minus 4 sin x. It becomes, and it is minus 1, and 1 is here, sin x by 4 sin x minus 1. I am doing it. When you separate it, it becomes 4, and this by this, it becomes 4 will go outside, 4 sin x minus 1. You can do it by what? Previous 1, 2, 3, 4 problem. dx by a plus b sin x, a sin x plus b, and it is dx by sin x. It is and it is suppose I1, and it is cosec x. Cosec x integration कितना है? ln cosec x minus cot x. Okay. Now look at the problems 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at the difference between them. Okay. Now number 13 is totally different from 9 to 12. Here sin square x, sin x constant. Here in numerator there is one sin x, another cos x is that. This problem is more easy than this. Then look at why? Because sin square x, sin x constant, and it is cos x there, again sin x there, no problem. The relaxation point is the derivative of sin x is cos x, which is in numerator. So put t is equal to sin x. dt is what? Cos x dx. So in place of cos x dx, I can write what? dt, and it is t dt by t square minus 2t plus 3, which you have read this problem in chapter 4, which video you will see. Now what you have to do here? Again I am doing also this. T square minus 2t plus 3. Its derivative is what? 2t minus 2. Then just divide 2, 1 by 2, multiply 2, it is 2t. Then write 2t minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 they will cancel. 1 by 2 into 2t. Okay. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 2t by 2, it is t. So 2t minus 2 plus 2 divided by t square minus 2t plus 3. It is 2t minus 2 by t square minus 2t plus 3, 1 by 2, it is this, plus 2, 1 by 2 into 2, it is constant, dt by t square minus 2t plus 3, t square minus 2t plus 3. Now look at here, the derivative of t square minus 2t plus 3 is 2t minus 2, 2t minus 2 dt. In this case, in this place, what I will write? Derivative of t square minus 2t plus 3 divided by t square minus 3 2t plus 3. You know, derivative of f dash, this is dz by z or dy by y, it is ln y. And for this part you have to, this is only quadratic and very easy quadratic, that t square minus 1 whole square plus 2. T minus 1 whole square plus 2. Okay, now put z is equal to, here put, for this part I am putting z is equal to z is equal to t minus 1 dz is equal to dt. So in place of dt I am writing dz by z square plus a square, and you know the formula 1 by a tan inverse z by root 2. Now you can put the values of t here and z here, you can do by yourself. Okay, look at number 14. It is dx by cos x minus cos 3x, and this problem is totally different from others, and all are different problems. These two are similar problems. Quadratic on cos x, no constant. Quadratic on sin x, no constant. Then you know the method. Here sin cos, here sin sin. Look at the difference of these problems. It is very vital thing. Dx by cos x minus 3 cos 3x. Just apply the formula. It is 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x. Then when you separate them, it becomes 4 cos x minus 4 cos 2x. Then take common 4 cos x, it is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. So 1 by 4 is going outside, cos x into sin square x. Okay. If it is cos x into sin square x, what you will do? Take it 1. It becomes sin, 1 is sin square x plus cos square x divided by cos x into sin square x. Divide this by this. It becomes sin. When you will divide sin square x, you will cancel. It becomes dx by cos x. 1 by 4 is written here. Again 1 by 4. Cos square x by cos x sin x. The numerator is cos x. Cos x will be there by sin square x. And this part you have to do 1 by sin x plus this cosec x. Cos x by sin x. Cot x minus 1 by 4 cosec x. Integration of cot x, cosec x, cot x is minus cosec x. And integration of sec x is ln sec x plus tan x. Okay. Look at this problem. All 4 problems are very similar. You can do by one method. It is sin square x, some a sin square x plus b, or a minus b cos square x, because sin square and constant, cos square and constant, or sin square cos square, or a sin square plus b cos square, a sin square b cos square plus constant. Means there will be in the denominator only sin square, cos square and constant terms will be there. Sin square, cos square, constant. Only in denominator. Numerator will be nothing. In that case, you have to divide cos square x. All these 4 problems, there is one method. Divide to cos square x so that it becomes sec square x. It becomes 4 sec square x plus 3 tan square theta. So, as sec square theta is derivative of tan theta. So, convert everything in denominator to tan theta. Keep remain sec square theta. Take convert to tan square theta, so that it becomes 1 plus tan square theta plus 3 tan square theta. It becomes sec square theta by 4 plus 3 tan square theta. Put z, take it the whole z is root 7 tan theta. Okay, then dz is root 7 cos sec square theta d theta. 1 by root 7, it is dz by 2 square plus z square 1 by root 7, and the formula is 1 by 2 tan inverse z by root 2. Okay, plus c, then you can put the value of z. You can do the problem number 15, 16, 17 and 18 in this method. Now I am doing just 18. Look at number 18. But I am doing these are only one method. You have to divide cos square theta. Look at here, sin square theta constant, cos square theta constant, or sin square cos square, or sin square cos square constant. The only method you have to divide cos square theta. Then divide cos square theta, it becomes sec square theta d theta, it becomes sec square theta 2 sec square plus 3 minus 4 tan square. Here, as it is cos sec square theta, you have to convert this to all to tan form. So you have to convert 1 plus tan square theta plus 3 minus 4 sin tan square theta. It is sec square theta by 2 plus 3, it is 5 plus 2 tan square theta minus 4 tan square theta, that is minus 2 tan square theta. So put t is equal to root 2 tan theta, then dt is root 2 sec square theta d theta, and it is dt by sec square theta d theta. Sec square theta d theta, what you have to write? 1 by root 2 dt. Okay, 1 by root 2 dt, and it is the formula of 1 by 2a ln root 5 plus t by root 5 minus t plus c, because it is the formula of dx by s square minus x square. 1 by 2a ln a plus x by a minus x. You can do these two problems by yourself. Look at number 19 and 20. They are in one method. I will do it. Look at number 19, 20. They are very similar method. It is 7x, 4x. They are multiplied. When I ask a student what he will do here, and then he told or she told, sir, multiply 2 and here 2. Okay, I am doing in your method. It is 2 cos 7x into cos 4x, and what is this? And it is 2. It is 2 cos a cos b, means what will there? 2 cos a cos b means cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Then what will be? Here 11x, here 3x, here 3x. And if we will do, if the denominator is in the product form, then it is easy. If the denominator in addition form, then it will sometimes it will very lengthy. It is easy, it is lengthy. So it is a totally wrong method. Don't go on this way. Sir, then what I will do? Sir, somebody is telling, sir, can I apply formula of sin 3x? It is 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx by cos 7x into cos 4x. ये क्या तुम खिचड़ी बना रहे हैं? ये x है, ये x है, ये 7x है, ये 4x है, क्या होगा इसमें? Then you can't proceed at all. The only way, first, this is a very tricky problem. You have to remember, the only way is sin. What you will write here? Just think. I am giving you time 1 minute. First think, then I will proceed. What you will do here? It is 7, it is 4, it is 3. वाह क्या चमत्कार है. It is 4x. 7x minus 3x. Now apply the formulas of sin a minus b. It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then it is what? It is cos 7x into cos 4x dx. Then it becomes what? Integration. Now separate this. This by this. It becomes what? It becomes tan 7x dx minus integration. What is when we will divide? It will cancel. It is tan 4x dx. Now you know the formula. It is 1 by 7 ln what? Sec 7x. Formula of tan mx is 1 by m ln sec mx minus 1 by 4. You have to remember the formula. Okay? It is ln sec 4x plus c. Now you can do this. It is 4, 7, 4, 3. It is 7, 5, 2. You can do by yourself. Applying the form, writing here 7 in place of 2x, you can write 7x minus 5x. Now number 21 and 22. Look at. here cos, here cos, here cos, here sin. This is the very important problem number 21, 22. If it will come on an exam, the students are in tension. They think they are similar. Totally they are different. Okay. Look at here. It is dx by cos x into 5 plus 3 cos x. Here cos x, here cos x. What you have to do? Just 1 by 5 into 5. But why I am doing 5 here? Now look at here. In this 5, I am doing what? Here cos and cos. You have to adjust it. 5 plus 3 cos x minus 3 cos x. So 3 cos x, 3 cos x, they cancel. It is 5. 1 by 5 into 5, that is, they cancel. Now, when you will separate it, it becomes dx by cos x. That is, dx by cos x means sec x minus 3 by 5. Dx by 5 plus 3 cos x. And it is the form of dx by a plus b cos x. Okay? Do by. Look at number 22. It is dx by cos x into 1 plus 2 sin x. Particularly in this problem, where it is cos, it is sin. I have done in 21, both are cos. If both cos or both sin, no problem. You have to adjust looking these two and adjust the numerator. If in denominator cos and sin is there, the derivative of this, in this part there is sin, the derivative of sin is what? Cos. You just multiply cos here and here, so that it becomes cos x by cos square x dx. Then what you will do? It cos square x, it is 1 minus sin square x, 1 plus 2 sin x, cos x dx. Okay, putting t is equal to sin x, you will write in this place. Put t is equal to sin x, dt is cos x dx, so that it becomes what? Cos x dx, you can write dt by 1 minus t square into 1 plus 2t. Then for this 1 minus t square, apply 1 plus t into 1 minus t whole into 1 plus t 2t. Now in this problem, what you have to do? You have to do by chapter 6, the partial fraction method. Perhaps it is chapter 6. Okay, it is 1 by 1 plus t, 1 minus t, 1 plus 2t. All are linear. So a by 1 plus t, b by 1 minus t, c by 1 plus 2t. And what is a? Do it directly. Multiply this 1 plus t there. You cancel. It is 1 by 1 minus t into 1 plus t. And you have to put t is equal to minus 1. For b, you have to multiply 1 minus t here, so that they will cancel. And it becomes 1 by 1 plus t into 1 plus 2t. Then put t is equal to 1. Find the value. Suppose the value is what? 1 by 2, it is 3, it is 6. Then you have to find the value of a. Then also for c, just multiply 1 plus 2t here. I am doing this. It is 1 by 2 into minus 1. It is minus 2. Okay, it is 2 and it is minus 1. And for c, you have to multiply 1 plus 2t, cancel 1 plus t into 1 by 1 plus t into 1 minus t. So put t is equal to what? Minus half. So that you will find the answer. Okay.